Instructors Institute, early on, I kind of tagged it Top Gun because this truly is a group of the top instructors from the sections across the United States.
The program started out that the district reps would just be anybody, and what the program really is focused on and all directed to is actual instructors. We wanted to get the ones that were starting their teaching career. It wasn't based on age, it's just we want you to get in the beginning because we want you to start taking what we teach you and putting it into practice.
I honestly didn't know anything about it. I came into work and they asked if I could come down to Miami, and I was like, for what? They're like, we nominated you.
This is the first year I've been nominated to the Instructors Institute. I've been an AWS member for about 6 years. We are teaching the foundation of welding to the future generation. Anything we can do as instructors to learn more and find better ways to impart that knowledge, I think it's a good thing.
It's really nice to be around what I would call like-minded people. When you get instructors here from all over the country, everybody kind of specializes in something different. Like I come from Springfield that is huge into stainless steel and food and pharmaceutical vessels. You have people that do pipe and plate and structural, and if you have questions or your students have asked you questions, you can kind of pick these guys' brains and they're all more than willing or more than happy to talk to you and answer your questions. And basically, I've already made new connections that I could probably call or email at any time.
I like the way that we get to see the people in the industry give us feedback on their equipment and stuff that they're doing in the industry to enhance our teaching ability. That is so critical in the world today. As an instructor, trying to take the information they're giving us and putting it back into the younger generation.
There's been times where you know stuff, you don't know stuff, same with everybody else, and now you have that communication. You have a means or that network to reach out to. You might be struggling or you haven't dealt with something, now you can reach out to that person, whether it be in Washington or Florida.
I think it's going to open a lot of doors in my career moving forward, being able to get that perspective from other people as I want to move forward with different ideas, being able to bounce these ideas that I might have or hear what they are doing and try and implement it in my program. I can only see it in increasing my involvement in my school and my AWS section.
I'm just kind of blown away by the quality of the media that they have there and how much easier it's going to make for students to kind of retain some of this stuff, just the available amounts of media so that we can kind of reach a diverse amount of individuals that are out there interested in doing some of this stuff and just the different ways they learn.
My favorite part is seeing that student all the way through. I like seeing how the instructors, how they bond, they network, they learn new things. And so it's fascinating to me when they realize there's so many different avenues, there's so many things, or they got stagnant and they're just sitting there on a plateau and haven't moved on, and this breaks that and it takes them to that next level. So, and then they take it to their student, then you see their students saying, oh, this is cool, I want to do this too, So that's the fun part, and that's the passionate part, is helping that instructor grow and find different avenues and different options for them.